Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So in this video I gonna show different rocks art, different stone art, different colorful beautiful home decoration ideas. You guys know we can share different amazing pebble decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and unique and I hope you like it. And you can see it is very amazing and unique pebble home decoration ideas and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members and do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon viewers.